Okay, so just like I said in the my last post on the 505 VC, so I changed the differential. But as I got home by the next day, I noticed oil was leaking from here, from where the seal is, where the CV joint enters. Oil was coming out from here on both sides, dropping from there. So I knew eventually we had to drop down the DC and replace the seal. So it's down already. You can see. On closer inspection, the pinion, there's no issue with it. You can see everything is still intact. So I expected it anyway before I mounted it, as when I took delivery of it. So this is the seal anyway. This is one of them. Let me see if I can see the number. 46-62-10/8, if I'm not mistaken. 48/62/10/8. Yeah, that's the number. Yes. This or that for okay. Yeah, it's very obvious it has really won. This place is no longer gripping on the CV joint. Oh, where is it? This particular one on that end is supposed to pass through here, so it's no longer doing the sealing work, so I have to get another one, new one. Anyway, so just a quick update. Okay, so the work has been completed. Change the seal. And put the tire back. Oh, anyway, I did this work with one of the Peugeot mechanics that I work with, and so let's just introduce yourself. This mechanic that did the work, and name is Sir Joseph.
Joseph Yakub.
So
Princess. Abuja here.
Okay. Yeah. So what do you do? Apart from, is it only 504, 505?
504, 55.
Okay. 404. Okay. So for guys, I highly recommend it. If you stay in Abuja environment and you have all these older Peugeot cars, he's a trusted person. I give my car without even bothering to supervise, and he's good at what he does mechanically. Okay, so I will put your number in case any of them needs your contact. They can always reach you. Okay, so guys, I'm going off for the first drive, and yeah, I think the seal, since the seal have been replaced, so the issue. Okay, that's the end of this video. So okay, we've completed everything, like I said earlier, and I've done like maybe close to 50-kilometer drive after mounting back the rear differential. So let's check out and see if it's still leaking. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm not sure the camera will show it well, but it looks completely dry to me from where I saw it leaking before, so no oil drop. This I know I've left the car for about 5 minutes. It's here, so it was leaking, supposed to have still staying oil down, but I can see from here I'm not seeing any oil coming out from any part of the differential. So yeah, so that's a success. Okay.